Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a Wurlitzer Walkaround. If you know Wurlitzer already, that would be really helpful. If you don't know it, there'll be a link in the description below so you can head off and find it, because it's a beginner move, so it's nice and easy. This version, the Wurlitzer Walkaround, looks like this. It goes 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Okay, so let's break it down. Two-handed move. Starts man's left, lady's right. We go semicircle, offering the hand and back. We're bringing the lady forwards, flattening the left hand, making sure we are out on the left-hand side. So guys are out on the left, ladies are out on their left. Flatten the left. Keep the fingers hooked around the inside of the lady's finger with the right, so you don't lose that hand, and we push to send the lady away, but we haven't stopped her moving forward, so she continues past and rotates to her right. And guys, we're going to continue past, rotate to our right as well. Offer that flat hand, so as we bring the lady back in, she makes contact, and then we can repeat. Send the lady out. Obviously in freestyle, how many times you do it is up to you. We're going to do the spin off the next one. So offering the hand again, we come in and flat, send the lady out, then it's a standard Wurlitzer prep. Being careful not to let the lady get too much energy away from us, otherwise when we get a spin, instead of being a spin on the spot, we'll get a spin change places. Perfectly valid variant, mind. So we get our prep, return spin on the spot, catch and back. So alternatively, you could have ended with more energy away, guys moving out of the way to the left, and you could have got a spin across. But that's for another time maybe. So let's do it with numbers. We go semicircle back, 1, in and flat, 2, out to the ends, 3, still offering the flat hand, coming back in, 4, out to the ends, 5, last one, in 6, out to the ends, 7 with a nice strong prep with rotation, return spin, 8, and catch 1. So let's do it to a count together. Here we go. 5, a 6, a Wurlitzer Walkaround. We go offer, flat, out, flat, out, flat. Good strong prep, return and catch. And that is it. Hope you've enjoyed yourselves. We'll be back next time with another intermediate modern jive clip. And as always, like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation to practice to will be in the end. And as always, thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.